Hmm. Hello viewers, welcome to my sister channel. How is everyone? I hope all of you are fine. You are welcome. Today I'm replacing her because she's some kind busy. So she said I should replace her today. But she wants to talk about something very important so that things will not be getting rough. Today we are talking about spiritual bath. This spiritual bath, let me explain it to you people. The reason why we want to teach it, some people might be saying that the work that she's doing for them is not working. That the work is not working. We have paid money and nothing is working. So many people have gone somewhere, they work for them and it did not work. It might not be the person this thing. It might not be her problem or anybody's problem, but it could be the negative energy that is blocking the spiritual work to come successfully. Now, please, this work will now make every negative aspect to go off you. Any negative power that is blocking your success, blocking your work, blocking prosperity, success, everything, your wealth. Now, this particular work will make it to go off you. Monitoring spirit within your body, that allow you get something. If others are getting something, if you reach there, they will reject you. Today is going off by fire, by force. Now we have items for that. This is our items for spiritual bath. This is Ekpobo. Go to local spiritual shop, you see it. Ekpobo. This is called miracle leaf. This is bitter leaf. This is what they call it, bay leaf, which is popular. Then egg, local one, not a Greek egg, local fowl egg. Arches, overnight arches. This is 7-7 perfume, powerful perfume in the market. 7-7. This is coconut, everyone know it. And this is our broom. So this broom, you are going to get old one, not new broom. The one that you have used before, maybe sweeping outside, get it. Now, preparation. These leaves, you get enough. The bay leaf, miracle leaf, bitter leaf, onubo. Then get it a very big quantity. And this ekpobo. If you get them, cook it. Even the arches, put all of them inside pot. And this one, all of them will be inside pot. Pour enough water that will do you to bath, just enough water. You are not going to mix it another water. It's only that one. Just pour enough. That's why I say get enough leaf so that you have enough water. So if you pour it, let it be cooking for some minutes. It will boil very, very well. If it has boiled very, very well, put it inside bucket. You're not going to use it hot. It will be cold before you use it and take your bath. Then when you put inside bucket, now come out, enter your bathroom, off your wear, mix this egg with coconut water. Mix them together, scrub your body, rub everything in your body. As you are rubbing, be praying is God that answer prayer. So if you are rubbing it, you pray that today every energy that is not from God, that you are removing them today. As you rub finish, leave them to dry in your body. Then before it could dry, the other one go down cold that time. You carry this one, put inside the water. 7-7. After putting it, you carry enter. Stand without wearing anything on your leg and begin to bath. The leaves will be your sponge. Carry the leaf. Be doing it like this. I'm scrubbing everything out from today. Work, spiritual work will be working for me. Anything I go for, I will get. Even people who have spiritual husband, you go see say the spiritual husband go dey run for you. Many things go happen for this thing. It's so easy, but it works very well. Be talking when you bath finish. I say, now the leaf be the sponge. Don't use any other sponge or soap. Nothing added to this one. So if you finish, go inside your room. Leave every items. Let the thing cool for your body. If it cool for your body, dry finish, enter your skin. You go tie wrapper. Now remove the ones that is your bathroom, or you understand. Just allow everything to enter your body before you now pack the leaves that you have been bath out in your bathroom and everything. Before you pack them, before I forget, inside that water you cook, this one shebi you know say e dey inside, comot am before taking your bath. Comot this one inside, comot am inside the water. Remove all inside the water before you begin to take your bath. Before I forget, thank you very much for today's video. Thank you, viewers, the ones that is listening to me now. Thank you very much. Please keep on subscribing to our channel. You'll be blessed. I know many have been blessed, but more will be blessed. Take care of yourself. Bye.